go through how to prep the lashes for the best retention with UV lashes. This gets asked a lot, how to prep the lashes for the best retention with UV lashes. So I'm going to go through exactly how I prep the lashes that gives me the best retention.
Phenomenal. I was looking at them today. It definitely does not look like a month.
It's like a full 4 weeks. This is crazy. First things first, if you're not washing your client's lashes in 2025 for free, straight to jail. We don't need to do that in 2025. A lash bath should come standard with every single fill, no matter what. So step 1 is always a thorough lash bath. That means if your brush is coming out gray or murky, or your bubbles are dissolving too quickly, you need to do more than one cleanse. Step 2, after I tape the bottom lashes down, I will prime only if there is debris in the lash line after doing the lash bath. So I don't prime everybody, but if they still have debris in their lashes, I will prime them. And or the people who have oily lashes or oily skin. So the only people I prime is either if they have a lot of debris in their lashes or if they have oily skin. Okay, so my alternative, if I'm not priming the lashes, I will always make the lash line squeaky clean with some hypochlorous acid. This is the one that I use, and I will just spray a little bit on a micro swab and then just really get into the lash line, get it nice and squeaky clean. Prep is key for good retention. Lash retention is client retention. This is how I prep the natural lashes to get the best retention when I am doing Halo system from Evlo Lash Co.